Hello students, welcome back to BW IELTS Prep. This is 𝐒𝐿TS, your IELTS expert, and we are back with another video. Today we are going to focus on the vocabulary section of your writing test. As you all know that 25% of your scores in the writing section is dedicated to lexical resources. Those lexical resources have not only to be relevant, but they also have to be in range. How do you reflect that range, and how do you tell them that you know a lot of words and a lot of vocabulary items? You need to showcase, you need to use a lot of vocabulary items. To be topic specific and to use topic specific vocabulary, that plays an important role as well. Today we are going to see that what words and what vocabulary items can be used when it comes to your essays related to science and technology. So without wasting time, let's get started. So vocabulary which we are going to see today is your science first of all. Then we'll see some words to be used in technology. Then space and astronomy, biotechnology, robotics and automation. As far as your science related topics are concerned, these are some words which can be used there. Hypothesis, a proposed explanation for a phenomenon to be tested scientifically. Theory, a system of ideas intended to explain something based on general principles. Data, facts and statistics collected for reference or analysis. Empirical, based on observation or experience rather than theory or pure logic. Peer review, evaluation of scientific work or working in the same field. As far as your technology thing is concerned, these words can be added. Artificial intelligence, the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially by computer systems. Cybersecurity, the practice of protecting systems, networks and programs from digital attacks. Big data, extremely large data sets analyzed computationally to reveal patterns, trends and associations. Cloud computing, the delivery of computing systems or services over the internet. Blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger used to record transactions across many computers. Now, as far as your science and technology tasks are concerned, they could even ask you some questions about space and astronomy. How can you variate your vocabulary there? Astronomy, the study of celestial objects and the universe as a whole. Astronaut, a person trained to travel in a spacecraft. Orbit, the curved path of celestial object around a star, planet or moon. Satellite, an artificial body placed in orbit around the earth or some other planet. Black hole, a region of space having a gravitational field so intense that no matter what radiation it can cause. Then comes your topics which could be about biotechnology. In that case, what words could be added? Genetics, the study of heredity and variations of inherited characteristics. Genome, the complete set of genes and genetic material present in a cell or organism. DNA, whatever the meaning of it. Cloning, producing basically a second copy. Stem cells, undifferentiated cells that can give rise to various other kinds of cells and tissues. Then comes your information technology, one of the most frequently asked questions in the IELTS test, because information technology is something which is going around the world, so they can ask you questions definitely on that. Software, the programs and other operating information used by computer. Hardware, the physical components of a computer system. Internet of Things, the interconnection via the internet of computing devices embedded in everyday objects. Algorithm, a process of set of rules to be followed in calculation or problem solving operations. Virtual reality, the computer generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or the environment. Similarly, there could be some questions about your robotics and automation as well. Words could be used. Robot, a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions. Automation, the use of largely automatic equipment in a system of operation or production. Machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Drones, unmanned aerial vehicles controlled either by pilots from the ground or autonomously. Sensors, devices that detect and respond to some type of input from the physical environment. With these vocabulary items, you can not only be relevant in your task, in your essay writing, you can showcase that you know very sophisticated vocabulary so that your LR score could improve. Remember one thing, it is 25% of your scores. So use wisely, use carefully. Bye bye. Take care.